Hi there. I had a question from Learn about the difference between inevitable and ensued, or to ensue. Okay, I think these two words are definitely different. Firstly, inevitable is an adjective, and to ensue is a verb. Let's see, if something is inevitable, it's unavoidable. You can't stop this happening. So, I don't know, death and taxes are inevitable. Whereas to ensue means to come after, to be subsequent to be the effect of. But if something ensues, it's not inevitable. There may be various other different possibilities. Okay, so if something is inevitable, it's going to happen come what may. But if something ensues, it may ensue or it may not ensue. There may be various other possibilities. Yes, the speaker made some very racist comments, and violence was inevitable. It was going to happen. And violence ensued, it came next. But maybe it wasn't inevitable, because if the speaker had said something to calm the crowd, then maybe violence wouldn't have ensued. Okay, so if something is inevitable, it's impossible to prevent it from happening. It always happens. Yeah. The inevitable change of the seasons. Yeah, you go from one season to the next, and you can't stop it because it's the movement of the earth. Spring finished and summer ensued, came afterwards. In this case, it was inevitable, but ensues just means it came next. Yeah, it may be inevitable, it may not be inevitable, and that clearly is the difference. So inevitable, I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality, use anywhere. From Latin inevitabilis, unavoidable, or not, and evitabilis, avoidable. Whereas ensue comes from Latin as well, from insequi, in, upon, and sequi, to follow, to follow upon, to come next. Okay, so to ensue just means something comes next. If something's inevitable, it will always ensue. Yeah, and it's impossible to avoid it. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ensue and inevitable.